The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round in my neighborhood. Welcome to the lesson Neighborhood Services. In the last lesson, we saw that houses built close to each other make up a neighborhood. Rita and her friends stay near each other. They are neighbors. They always try to keep their neighborhood clean and green. They also follow traffic rules. Do you want to go cycling with Rita and her friends? They will show you some important places in their neighborhood. What do you see here? You see a school, a restaurant, and your favorite place, the park. Yes, these places provide a number of useful services and they help the people to live safely and comfortably. Today, Manoj and his father want to do some shopping. Before they go for shopping, they need to withdraw some money. Where do you think they should go? Yes, you're right. They go to the ATM. The ATM is a machine that lets you take out money from your bank account. It uses a card and a secret number to make sure that only you can access your money. Now, what's a bank account? To know what's a bank account, let's go and visit a bank. Is that a piggy bank? Yes, what do you do in a piggy bank? Piggy bank is where you collect coins and save your money for the future. Well, that's similar to what a bank does. A bank has individual piggy bank for each person, which is called as a bank account. It's basically a record to know how much money you have given them. When you keep some money in a bank, it's called as a deposit. The bank gives you an extra amount every month for keeping your money in the bank. That amount is called as an interest. If people don't have enough money saved up to buy something, they often borrow money from a bank to buy big things like houses and cars. This service is called as a loan. So next time when you hear your parents talking about a bank account or deposit or loan or interest, you probably got a pretty good idea what they're talking about. Imagine if your parents gave you 100 rupees for your birthday every year for 10 years. If you put this money in your piggy bank, at the end of 10 years, you would have 1,000 rupees. Right? But if you put that money in a bank account, you might have 1,100. That's an extra 100 rupees. And you didn't have to do anything for it. That's why it pays to open up a bank account and start saving money in it. Today Rita will show you the place where she goes to learn to read and write and to play with her friends. Yes, that's her school. All children have the right to go to school and learn. Teachers teach different subjects and also good habits to the students. Children, you should go to school on time. It's important to be punctual. The head of the school is the principal. Sam, can you go and check if there are any letters in the mailbox? Sam found on the envelope his address written and also a sticky label. His His mother told him that it's a postal stamp. Sam will go to a post office to find out more. He saw that there are postcards, inland letters, and envelopes which can be used to send letter from one place to another. You have to affix a stamp on your letter as a way of making payment for the postal services. You can also send packages using postal service. You can send your letter by placing them in a post box or taking them directly to the post office. The postal workers then sort out the mail according to the destination address. Then they send it to the destination by truck or train or airplane. Postal services around the world cooperate so that mail can travel between countries. What happens at the destination? At the destination, the postman delivers the mail to each address. Nowadays, instead of written letters, we use email and fax, which are much faster means of communication. However, people today still use postal services, especially when they want to send important or private information. Can you tell me who is the head of a post office? It's the postmaster. Who is the head of a school? It's the principal. Head of a bank is the bank manager.